Hey, Austin, what are we drawing today?
A notebook for school.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. What are we using?
Our markers.
Yeah, markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. This is a really fun lesson too because you can customize your notebook any way you want. All right, you ready to get started?
Let's do it.
Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing a rectangle shape for our notebook. I'm going to draw it a little diagonal. So we can draw the first line, the left side. My paper was squeaky, I promise. So it's going to be a little diagonal. And then we're going to draw the bottom, and it's shorter down here. Yeah, and I went a little further over here so that the notebook is balanced. Yeah, and yours could be a little wider too. And then you could make this maybe just a bit taller. I'll do that same. I'll make it taller up here. But then we're going to match the top line with the bottom line. And then we're going to come down and connect. And all of these lines, these two lines should be parallel, meaning they run right next to each other like this without getting closer at the top or the bottom. Yeah, and then the top do the same also. Oh, it looks awesome. Good job.
Thanks.
There's our notebook shape. We're done. Just kidding.
That was really fun.
Yeah, we need more details. Okay, let's draw the side of our notebook. We can make it more 3D. And we're not going to make it too thick, but we're going to connect the line up here at the top, and then we can come all the way down to the bottom. And you could connect it there, and you could leave yours just like that. I'm just going to add more 3D down here. And that's okay. I love that yours is a little different. Okay, next, let's add the spiral to the side of our notebook. So we're going to draw a little loop like this. We'll start on the inside, and then we'll draw, looks like a sideways U or letter C. And then we can leave a little space, and then we're going to do the same thing. And we want to go all the way down and try to draw these so that they're all the same size. I'm getting a little bigger and a little smaller, and that's okay. We're practicing.
Yes.
And it's fun to practice repeating the same thing over and over again, because then we can get better at it.
Yeah.
I like it. We're going to keep going all the way down until we get to the very bottom. There we go. There's our notebook. And that's a really simple way, but I think we need to add even more things to customize it, make it look even cooler. Let's add funny face. Let's draw one right here in the middle. I'm going to draw really happy that we're back in school. And then we're going to draw. You could change this too. Let's see. I'm going to add teeth up here at the top. And then I'm going to connect it. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a tongue at the bottom. Teeth at the top and tongue at the bottom. But you could add teeth at the top and bottom, or no tongue. Or you could keep the mouth closed. I think it looks fun open.
Yeah.
And we color in the back. Yeah, that looks really cool. Good job.
Thank you.
Now let's add the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. And our favorite, adding the highlights. Smaller circle in the top. I like how big you drew your eyes.
Thank you.
Our friends could do that too. You could draw them really big. And then you could add the highlight. And then we could color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Let's also draw feet. I'm going to draw two legs coming down from the notebook, the bottom of the notebook. And I'm also drawing, the left side's a little shorter because it's diagonal, but I'm trying to make them come down to the same length. Yeah, so on this side over here, you can draw it coming down. I like that yours are a little diagonal.
Oh,
I
was aiming it with this.
That's okay too. Maybe yours is jumping. You could draw your other one sticking out even more diagonal, and then you could draw the feet so it looks like it's flying in the air.
Yes, I'll do that.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, and then mine could be standing on the ground. So we'll draw the bottom of the feet, or the bottom of the legs, top of the shoes, and then we'll draw the toes sticking out to the left and also to the right. And then we could draw the heel on the inside. And then let's connect the bottom of the shoes, the back to the front. And we could also add the sole on the bottom of the shoes, a little extra. And we could also draw the front of the shoes. I'm going to draw little curves on the front. And we could add shoelaces. I'm going to draw 2 more curves coming down on the top. Yeah, so that looks awesome. Perfect. Now let's give our notebook hands. And maybe this hand is hanging onto a pencil.
Oh, yeah.
Let's draw 2 lines straight down.
Oh, a big pencil.
A big, yeah, it's kind of thick. We could make it longer so it doesn't look as thick, but I like it.
Yes, I like it too.
And then the top, we could draw an upside down letter V for the sharp part, the part you write with. And then down here, we could draw a letter U for the eraser. Now let's draw the metal part hanging onto the eraser. We're keeping it connected to the wood. And then up here, we could draw the lead and the part that's sharpened. We're gonna draw a W and we can color in the lead. Okay, it's just floating. Let's draw a hand. I'm gonna draw, looks like the letter C. And then we're gonna draw 2 lines connecting the pencil to the notebook. Oh, we could also draw 2 lines for fingers. Okay, now on this side, let's draw another hand, but sticking out, and let's draw a thumb, or maybe giving a thumbs up.
Okay.
We're gonna draw an upside down letter U. And then we're gonna draw, it looks like a circle. And then we can add 2 fingers. And then let's draw the arm connecting into the notebook. And I'm trying to make it the same width as this one over here. Yes, we did it. We finished. I like it so much.
It looks good.
Except we still need to
Color them.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. Now you could also really customize your notebook even more. You could change the color. You could also write, maybe there's a sticker up here that says back to school, or you could add your name.
Oh, yeah.
You could also add other stickers. I think we'll add an apple and a star.
Yes.
You ready to fast forward?
Let's do it.
Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and colored our notebooks and they look so much better all colored in.
Yeah, they do.
And I like that we changed our colors. You got this blue. I like that you started pink.
Yeah, and I was like, wait, I want to do a different color. So then I put blue on top and it made it purple.
Yeah, I love it. And also we added a shadow and I added stickers. I like that your shadow is down here.
Because it's jumping.
Yeah, and we added our name, but you could change it any way you want.
We hope you had fun drawing a notebook with us.
We do, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.